Yes, I did it, y'all. Let me swing my hair. As you can see, I'm feeling myself. Let me show y'all stiff wear. Okay, let me model. Can I model just a little bit for y'all? My first salon experience in about 7 years, y'all, was a complete success. If you guys want to see exactly what happened, tune in. All right. So my hairstylist, she did wash and deep condition my hair. And that's just me sitting underneath the dryer for a little bit before she went back and rinsed out the product. So she's applying this leave-in conditioner. It's natural coconut milk leave-in conditioner all throughout my hair. Do you see the texture? Look at the texture of my hair. For all of you doubters out there, I do have 4C hair, and here she's just parting my hair and sectioning into 4 sections so that she can work in sections. And I do love that she was so patient with my hair. She wasn't tugging. You know what I'm saying? When our own people do our hair, I feel like they know what to do and what not to do. All right. And she's applying the stimulating spray in my scalp. Oh my God. It felt so good in my scalp. I think I'm going to purchase this line because I feel my hair really loved the way that it felt in my scalp. So yeah, so she distributed that, and then she also put in heat protectant in each section of my hair just to make sure that I don't get heat damage, and I'm praying that I don't get heat damage. I don't think I'm going to get heat damage, but yeah, that's for another video. So she sectioned my hair and distributed the heat protectant into my hair, and also started to detangle each section. And she took her time. She wasn't rushing. She wasn't being too, rough with my hair. Like, she knew what she was doing. Okay. And I really did appreciate that she took her time and that she was patient with my hair, because the detangling process sometimes can be a bit annoying, but no. And my hair was super duper soft, especially after that deep conditioning treatment that she did in my hair, and the leave-in conditioner. Everything meshed really well together. So I was like happy to see like how soft my hair was for the detangling. And yeah, detangling it didn't hurt at all. So yeah, so right here she's blow drying my hair section by section. And first she holds my hair, what do you call that? I don't know how to say it, but yeah, she holds my hair so that she doesn't have to run a comb through it first, right? And then she goes in with a paddle brush to blow dry the rest of it. And I really, really liked this method. And guys, I did not know. Mind you, I've blow dried my hair on my own at home. I didn't know my hair got that long and thick. I was just like shocked, like, what? Like, oh my God. But yeah, y'all, I had no idea my hair had gotten that long. So it was, a good thing to see that my hair is indeed not as damaged as I thought it was. And yeah, I was pleasantly surprised with the growth and also the thickness. Honestly, guys, I don't really care about length. I do love volume, and I do love my hair to be thicker. So I was pleasantly surprised and satisfied and content with the thickness of my hair and the volume. So I was so happy. Yeah, I had no idea, because at this point I'm facing away from the mirror, so I don't know, and I didn't touch my hair, so I don't know how soft or long or thick it was until I got a chance to look in the mirror and feel my hair. I was just like blown away, like, yes, dear, your hair's not even that bad. Okay. She did find that section that I cut, which is this section right here. This a little, I don't know, you won't be able to see it right now, but here's where I did cut my hair when I was taking out my protective styling. And that's the part that I was worried about. But she let me know it wasn't even that bad, honestly. She's seen clients do this all the time. So it wasn't as bad as I initially thought it was. You can see a little difference with the little braid, not even the little braid. It was a big braid that I cut off. But y'all, it wasn't that big of a deal. And now I know that. So that makes me feel much, much better. She assessed my hair and said that, I didn't even have to do a big chop. I just need to literally trim my ends. And she just went in with this, it's called the Asante oil. It has Jamaican black oil in there, a whole bunch of different oils, jojoba oil, I believe. And she distributed that into my scalp. So I do love that. Not only did she treat my hair, she also made sure that my scalp was well nourished and moisturized and feeling just great, because I do feel like the health of every hair starts with your scalp. So I love the special care that she took with my scalp, and also she distributed the oil to my edges to make sure, trying to work on these edges, boy. Oof. Yeah, so right here, she's just going to start trimming my ends, and she did not chop. I love when a hairdresser can assess your hair and let you know what you need. She didn't cut what wasn't necessary. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know. Y'all know how it be sometimes, okay? But she went in and trimmed my ends and trimmed whatever needed to be trimmed, and I was satisfied with what she did. I thought I was going to walk out of there with a bigger chop, but she told me it wasn't necessary. Okay, here, guys. You can see where I cut my hair by mistake. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like a couple of inches above where she's working. All right. Yeah, I was so mad at myself, but she said, and I do agree, it'll grow back. Hair does grow back. I just have to make sure to moisturize and do what I've been doing and condition, deep condition, do my protein treatments, and and trim my hair at least twice a year. If not, it depends on what my hair needs. Okay. If I need to go a quarter, trim my hair every quarter, then I'll do that. And I do think going forward, I'm going to visit her once a quarter to have them trim my hair. Yeah, I'm going to go once a quarter to have them trim my hair, assess my hair, just to treat myself, honestly, because I can do my own hair. I've been doing my own hair for the past 7 years, right? But I loved this salon experience so much that I will be back. I don't know if I'm going to be back for a silk press. I'll probably go back, for a bantu knot out or a twist out and have them assess my hair and trim, etc. Yeah, so right here, she's just trimming, continuing to trim where it's needed. And now it's time to do the silk press. She did section by section and did little sections at a time. Okay. And you'll see she didn't run the flat iron through my hair too much. I think maybe 2 times on the roots and then 1 pass throughout the whole, through all the strands. Okay. So it wasn't bad. I like that she didn't do pass after pass after pass. Oh, no. And I asked her to do curls for me. I wasn't sure how I wanted to style my hair, but she did her thing. Look how shiny my hair is, y'all. And don't be alarmed by the smoke that you see. That's just from the heat protectant, okay? She took her time, was not rushing, showed my hair some love. Yes, much needed love. And I can't wait to my next wash day just to see how my curls revert. I'm praying that all of my hair reverts. I don't want heat damage, but I do know heat damage is not 100% avoidable, but I think she took the necessary steps, you know what I mean, to ensure that I don't get heat damage. All right, so let's see. We'll see how my hair reacts next wash day. I'm just going to speed this, the rest of it, because you guys know what it is, right? And I did want to record these clips from my camera, but it didn't work out that day. This footage is actually captured from my phone, and instead of putting things in landscape mode, like the video in landscape, I did portrait, which is why the screen is not as big as what my footage is usually. So I apologize for that, guys. But thank you, for still watching and tuning in. I'm hoping that I was able to capture the footage to your liking. And I usually do like a side part, so she did go back and do a side part for me, because yeah, middle parts, I feel like my forehead way too big for the middle parts, so yeah, she went back and did the side part for me. Look at my hair, so fluffy, voluminous, healthy looking. I was just like, oh my God, this is my hair, this is me. Okay, go dear. And you guys, I will link In my description box, the salon that I went to is called Natural by Nature. Beautiful, beautiful salon. And look at my hair, y'all. Y'all see this? I was just like blown away, like, oh wow. Like, really? And look at the back, the length, the volume, the thickness of it. I was just blown away, you guys, okay? And I did pin curl it that night. I do have a video on how I maintain, you know, my silk press throughout the week. That's coming to you soon. But right here, I was just feeling it, modeling and just showing you guys. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Bye, guys.